Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can set up the VPN connection on an Android 14 phone. So firstly, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Turbo VPN. That's the tool that allows you to very quickly and conveniently connect your device to the virtual private network or set up the proxy connection. And well, there are quite a few of those, but I usually use Turbo VPN, particularly since it is free and pretty decent, does its job just fine. Anyway, so once the app has been installed, you will need to launch it. Tap at the green continue button over here, then select if you would like to receive notifications from this app. Then skip this ad. And finally, in order to connect your smartphone to VPN, tap at this caret icon over there, confirm the connection request, and your device gets connected to VPN, as you can see by this key icon at the status bar. While at it, you can change the server, country, or even the city that your VPN is connected to, like that. And if you would like to turn the VPN off, you will need to tap over here, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.